Hey guys, it's Megan. Today I get to play with this beautiful thing. This is it's upside down. I get to do a makeup look with this beautiful thing. This is our Aspen Ovard Eye and Cheek palette. It's got 9 eyeshadow shades and a blush, which I'm obsessed with, and a highlight, which I'm equally obsessed with. So if you want to see how I got this everyday look, I like to call it my glossy shiny look, using the new palette. Keep watching. So the first step, I'm going in with our clay stick and the shade Tan Deep Honey and buffing that in with our smoothie blending brush. Next, I'm going in with our Amazonian Clay Brow Mousse. This is the shade Rich Brown for these bad boys right here. Next, I'm taking our Shape Tape Concealer. This is the shade Tan. It's not a shade. And it's brand new. Ooh. Some on my eyelids to prime them. We're just taking our sponge and blending it all out. To warm up the face, I'm taking our Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation and the shade Deep Honey and this big old thing. We're just gonna add some warmth and dimension to my face. So for the first step, I'm taking the shade Tea Time right here and just gonna buff that all into my crease. I'm taking this shade here, which is Road Trip, and I'm just going to be buffing that into the outer V. Now that Road Trip is all buffed into our outer V, I'm taking our eyebrow brush and the shade Wanderlust and creating a Chateau liner wing. Lastly, I'm taking the shade Endless Summer for my inner corner and my brow bone highlight. For mascara, I'm going in with our Lights Camera Lashes, and I love this mascara, and you'll see why. Now that mascara is done, we're going to bounce back to blush and highlight, obviously going in with these two beautiful shades. I am taking the shade Made You Blush, which is the shade right here. And when I apply blush, I like to smile to find the apples of my cheeks and check. I like to apply it a little bit up so it blends really nicely with my contour. So I check and then I blend it out. And for highlight, I'm going in with Pure Soul. I just want to show you guys how crazy this highlight is. So I'm just going to take the same brush I used for blush and finally, for lips, I'm going in with our Double Duty Beauty Lip Sculptor. This is the shade Rogue. And I'm actually going to take the gloss side because my lips are super dehydrated and apply smells so good. This one is so beat up. I always have it in my purse because this is a full-size lipstick and it's the gloss. And the gloss is super comfortable and it's like not sticky and it smells so good. All right guys, so this is the final look. I am obsessed with this palette. This palette is definitely going in like top 5 products that we have right now. Like no joke. It's just very versatile and it's super, super pretty. So top 5, top 5, top 5. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment below what video you want to see me do next. Bye guys.